Trading method part 32. This is the 8th of August at 10:02, 10, that's 9 p.m., 9:58 p.m. You're gonna start off with 2, right? This is how you trade. This is $1.86 a minute. Wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase headline. The CCI, RSI, if they're both down, then you sell. Sell for 2, right? If 2 loses, then you do 4. If 4 loses, you do 9. If 9 loses, you do 19. 19 loses, you do 41. 41 loses, you do 87, and so on and so forth, right? I'm gonna trade for 20 minutes, 10 minutes for this video. This video is gonna be 10 minutes. So part 32, 10 minutes long. The only trading method you'll ever need. It just works on basically how life works, through trial and error. So you see that 2 lost at 9:59, 21:59, and we're going to make another trade for 4, which is going to give you back $1.73 plus your $2. Right, so here we sell for 4. Right, we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline. We watch to see if the CCI and the RSI are either above the halfway points or under the halfway points, and we buy or sell. Right, so 4 loses, then we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19. 41, 87, 184, 391, 875, 1910, and so on. Three, 7, 3. Right, so that was a win. We made back all our profits in that trade, and that's how it goes, right? So it's, instead of running from risk, why don't you jump into it and understand that there's nothing stopping you but yourself? So here we sell for $2 because both indicators were down at the last 5 seconds. We move to 4 and we wait. So this looks good. It looks like it's about to win. That's good. The movement session change is 5%. That's not very good, but it's good. It's not the best, the absolute best, but it's good. So we move to 2, we wait, and then we buy or sell at the last 5 seconds of the purchase line. It looks like it's going to be down, but if it's up, we buy. If it's down, we sell. 2s. So we sell here, we buy here for $2. As I said, it could be up or down. Right, we move up to 4, and so we wait. Infinite trading method. It's it's a numbers game, isn't it? Right, so every time you win, you go back down to 2, right? And you either buy or sell, either or. So last 5 seconds, purchase deadline, we buy here for 2, and so we wait. We up to 4, how the thing goes. This is EURUSD. Who lost? We do 4. Four loses, we do 9. So 4 just won. We go back down to 2 and we trade. Four. $2 loss. Let's do 4. As you can see, it's okay to lose. And I mean, I expected losses like this where we had like 1, 2, 3, 4 more losses in a row. So I could have shown you how well the trading method works, especially under pressure. Alright, but so yeah. 4. So we're gonna wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline, and then we're going to sell for 9 because both indicators are under their halfway points. That's why we sold. So you can either trade as if you gamble, or you can trade like a professional, and this is trading like a professional. Alright, this is information that you probably should not have, but I'm giving it to you anyways. Me, do what you want with it. It's your choice. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. You feel me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is ending up very good. In that, I mean, we're going to win on one of the trades, and it's going to be more than 10 minutes. So that's a very good thing. We buy here for 19 because both indicators are above their halfway points at the 5 seconds. Even if it loses, we do 41. 41 gives you back, let's say, $38.21, and 19 and 1 is 20.34. So 38 gives you $4 plus, right? 3, 2, 1. We lost. which is an absolutely beautiful thing. This is good. Right, we're going to now do 41, so that's 34, and this gives you back 38.21. So you make $4.21 profit. Right. So we buy here for 41, and we move up to 87 is next in line. And yeah, infinite trading method, part 32. Watch the other parts to get the idea. It's absolutely great. Even if 41 loses, we have 87, and you must win with life. As long as you keep trying and you're willing to fail, you have to win, right, with anything that you do. So 41 and 9, that's 50, 60, 75. This gives you 81, so this gives you $6.08 profits, which is good because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 6, so it gives you back $1 for every time you fail. Isn't that insane? Plus profits, plus. So we sell here for 87, we move up to 184, and we wait. And as I said, with life and with everything you do, as long as you're willing to stick through it to the end, you will win. Like, there's nothing stopping you from winning. That's how it's set up, so that as long as you have the guts and the tenacity and the drive to keep going and keep pushing forward, there's nothing that could actually stop you but yourself. The only limitation is yourself. So 87 lost, which is a good thing. And with life, you're going to lose. You're going to continue to lose. So 87 and 1 is 88. Say this is 75 and 87. Enough here, we're going to make back everything on 184. I'll do the maths after I make the trade, right? 7, 6, both indicators are done. We sell. Right, so 87 and 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 109, 110, 124, 124, 184 gives you 174. So you get the idea. So 87 and 4 is 120. Right, that's 128, 137, 147, 156, 172. Is that 172? So we made 171. Interesting. Maybe the percentage is off by a bit. All we did it when it was higher percentage. That's okay though. We made back enough and more. Right, infinite trading method part 32 completed.